Welcome back, everyone. I'm back with another winter camping trip. I'm gonna be doing another one-night trip and hopefully get some fishing done too. And I'm pretty excited to have some good food to eat for dinner. So let's get right to it. So I finally got to my site. It only took me more or less 2 hours. It was a bit easier. The snow's pretty packed down. This is a pretty used trail, so there are people walking on it. But today's gonna be more calm. I do have a wooden tent pad, so it's gonna be less cold than when my tent was sitting on the snow. But I'm gonna start setting up my tent and then maybe do a little bit of ice fishing after that. So I've been using this stove for about 5 times now, and yeah, it already has a beautiful patina on it. That's what I love about titanium. Same thing has happened to my pots and pans as well. But yeah, I really like these colors on it, which is great. Alright, so I just finished setting up the tent. I just put the stove in. So now I need to get some wood. It is getting pretty cold. It's negative 15 degrees right now, but with the wind, it's freezing my hands. So I do want to get warm for a little bit, maybe have a snack, but I'll take you guys when we get some wood. So after getting all that wood, I did want to try to do a little fishing, but it's getting way too cold. I drilled 2 holes and I started jigging for some trout, but the wind is just freezing my hands and my face, so I think I'm gonna call it and go back in the tent. But I will try again tomorrow. So I think dinner's the next move. Alright, so I'm back in the tent and I'm going to be making myself some dinner. So for dinner today, I'm going to be making some Japanese curry, and I'm going to have that with some ground beef as well as some potatoes and carrots. And then for my side, I'm just going to have it with some white rice as well as some boiled eggs. So first goes the ground beef. And I'm gonna mix this around until it turns about brownish or goldenish color. Almost all the beef is cooked, so I'm gonna start adding the onions in. Alright, I've added the onions, so now I just gotta mix it up and let those cook up. Alright, it's time to add the vegetables. Alright, now we just gotta add some water. Alright, this is boiling. So I'm just trying to lower the heat, cover it up, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna add the curry cubes. Alright, let's add the curry cubes. Alright, that took a long time to cook, but let's see what we made. Yeah, that looks delicious. So let's give it a try. Alright. Scott. That's great. So honestly, this did take a long time to cook, but the ingredients were pretty simple. Kind of just had to boil everything all together. But honestly, all the ingredients wasn't too hard to carry and wasn't too heavy. But at the end of the day, I'm reaping the benefits of my efforts. It's freaking delicious. Alright, well, I completely devoured that plate in like less than 5 minutes, and I'm extremely full. So I'm gonna head to bed, and tomorrow we're gonna pack our stuff and head on out of here. Catch you guys in the morning. Alright, so I just woke up. It's a lot colder now, so and the stove was off, so I put some more wood in there. But I'm gonna eat some oatmeal for breakfast and then try to do a little fishing, and then once I get tired of that, I'm gonna start packing up and head on home. I was just heading over there to set up a tip up, and then I instantly got a bite. I think it's just a small brook trout. Yeah, it's just a small little guy. Here you go. Beautiful fish. Alright, let's put him back. Alright, well, after getting that tiny brook trout, I wasn't able to get any more fish, so I'm gonna start packing up. Let's go back to the site and pack up our things. Alright, let's take down the tent. Alright, so the tent and the stove is put away. Now I just gotta pack the sled up again and then head back to the parking lot. Alright, well, I'm almost back to the car, so there goes the end of my trip. But as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.